In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Zapier to Microsoft Outlook step by step so you can start building automations that save time and keep your email workflow organized. Whether you want to send emails automatically, create tasks, or connect Outlook to other apps, this setup is the first thing you need to do. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to Zapier. Once you're on the Zapier website, sign into your account if you aren't already logged in. After that, look for the App Connections area inside your Zapier dashboard. This is where Zapier lets you manage all the apps and services connected to your account. Next, click on App Connections. On the Connections page, you'll see an option to create a new connection. Click on Create Connection to begin adding Microsoft Outlook. Zapier will now open a search box where you can find the app you want to connect. In the search field, type Microsoft Outlook. As you type, Zapier should show the Outlook app in the results. Click on Microsoft Outlook when it appears. This tells Zapier that you want to connect your Outlook account to your automation setup. After selecting Microsoft Outlook, click Add Connection. Zapier will now ask you to sign in to your Microsoft account. If a login window appears, enter your email address and password for the Microsoft account you want to use. Make sure you choose the correct account, especially if you manage more than one email address or workplace profile. Once you sign in, Microsoft may ask you to approve access for Zapier. This is a normal part of the connection process. Review the permission request, then continue so Zapier can securely link to your Outlook account. After that, the connection should complete successfully. When the setup is finished, you'll be able to use Microsoft Outlook inside Zapier workflows. That means you can create automations that send emails, monitor inbox activity, or connect Outlook with other tools in your business or personal system. This is especially useful if you want to reduce manual work and keep things running automatically in the background. If you ever need to add another Outlook account later, you can come back to the App Connection section and repeat the same process. But for now, your main goal is complete. Zapier is connected to Microsoft Outlook and ready to use. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.